I did write down everything that I wanted, so when I went into the store, I absolutely changed my mind because I saw so many different options and such a range, and I said, okay, I'm going to change my mind now.
Hello, Sevda, how are you?
Hiya, I'm great, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad. I like the mug, by the way.
Thank you. It was gifted from my good friend. So I had my kitchen renovated with Wickes last year in November, and they done an amazing job. I was really happy, so I didn't have any doubt in mind to come and get my bathroom renovated with them. I didn't even know what sort of design I wanted. I had no clue. I just kept saying to Joe, you need to help me because I just don't know. I was really indecisive, and that's really where it all started off. So we had this awful wooden ceiling. It looked like there was like an old wooden flooring on the ceiling, so we just wanted that to come down. It was dark brown and dull, and I just wanted a bright room with some spotlights, a bath that had jets. We wanted to have the large shower head, the small and the large one. And at first we wasn't sure if we'd be able to get a bath in there that would have the jets, because a lot of baths are too big, but Joe managed to find one that would fit. And that was something that we really, really wanted. I went into one of the big stores in Welwyn Garden City, and I had a look at all the different ranges, and I was a bit indecisive at first because they're so beautiful, all of them, and I was like, which one am I going to go for? What's going to work in that little space? I can't have a jet bath in a small bathroom like that, where I was totally wrong. I did want tiles because I wanted something that would be more hard wearing, good quality, but I didn't want to have like shiny tiles on the floor. I was worried about slipping, but Joe said to me I could get the same tiles in matte, so I've got the same tiles in my bathroom for the floor and for the walls, but the one on the floor is matte, so we won't slip. Yes, he suggested to have a double screen, so he said that water wouldn't go everywhere, because I did explain to him that with our current bath, you know, water is going all over the place. And if you get a double screen, you won't have water coming out all onto the floor. Like little cupboards underneath the sink, which I never thought of for like storing things, because we used to store things at the top windowsill, and the window was open, everything would blow off. Attention to detail was really, really good. He was making sure that I was happy, but he wasn't telling me what I should get. He was making sure that I was happy with, you know, what I was choosing, but just giving me great advice. Do you know, it was amazing. It really was. The kitchen installation was amazing, but the bathroom was even better. It was fantastic. They were so organised, so tidy, so clean. They'd come promptly at 8 o'clock and they'd go at 5 p.m. There was nobody in my house late in the evening when you were trying to, you know, settle down. They'd sweep up, clean up after themselves. So you get a 2-year workmanship guarantee, so if anything goes wrong, they'll come back and fix it. You get 25 years on the bath and the toilet and 10 years on the cabinet, so it's a really amazing guarantee. So having a lovely bath and a shower, it's just nice to just be able to go in a shower, have the screen and just have a nice shower. We didn't realise how much we'd actually been struggling having a bath in that bath before, so it's the shower, it's got to be, it's just the way it just like a waterfall, like you're on holiday. We feel like we're in like a luxury hotel room's bathroom, and it's not ours. It's like a dream still. 100% I would. My auntie's already getting her bathroom done with Wickes at the moment. You know, I'm so happy, and I could not fault them in any way at all.